crying if you're fine? Can you tell Mama what happened?
I'm fine, Mama.
Did you hurt your finger here? Why are you crying then?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back to our channel. So it is Friday today guys. Friday ng hapon. It's currently mga 3 o'clock ng hapon and we're working from home still. And nag-lunch break lang ako kaya I thought na mag-vlog tayo. We are still in lockdown so hindi pa rin kami makakalabas-labas talaga tonight. How are you, honey?
How are you?
Are you good? Did you have a nap this afternoon, no?
Yeah, no, I cannot.
Did you poo-poo? I can smell you. Did you poo-poo? Are you sure?
No.
Magtayo na. Gusto ko palang i-share, guys, na natanggap kaming magandang balita. Yes. Kahit na meron tayong mga, yung mga bad things na nangyari for the last few days, but, meron pa ring mga magagandang balita na dumarating. So, tinawagan na si Daddy ng, guys, car dealership na nandito na daw yung car natin. Our car is here.
Here?
Our car is here. What kind of car are we getting again?
A window at the top.
There's a window at the top.
Yeah.
So, you can see the stars. Ayan. So, tinawagan si Daddy Mike guys kahapon yata or kaninang umaga. Na nandito na daw. But unfortunately, kasi nga, diba, lockdown tayo. So, I don't think we will get the car for... So, it's good news. But, good news kasi nandito na siya sa, guys, dumating na siya ng Melbourne. So, it's just a matter of, na lang ngayon, parang clearing lang siguro. And then, pag wala na siyang lockdown, then we can go get our car. Yes. Ay, hindi ko pa pala naipakita din to sa inyo, guys. Oh, nabili pala namin to. Here's Baby Celine's bed. Is that Baby Celine's or yours? Ayan. Uy, madilim man. So, nabili ko to siya sa, guys, sa Facebook Marketplace. Pero sobrang nagandahan talaga ako, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Uy, tangtang ang dahon. Bakit madilim? Ayan, di ba guys? Sobrang ganda niya. So, ito yung bassinet niya. So, when, she's little, malalagay namin siya dito. And, obviously, dito namin ilalagay sa harapan ng bintana. Kasi, pag kailangan ng baby yung, araw, di ba? Ayan. And then, yung nagustuhan ko talaga dito is, meron siyang drawers. Ganyan. So, nilagay ko na yung ibang mga muslin wrap. Ayan. Mga damit ni baby Celine. Andyan na. Ayan. Yung mga newborn talaga. Yung mga nilagay ko dito kasi yun yung unang magagamit. Of course. Ayan. Tapos, bibilhan lang namin to siya ng cover dito. Very, very sturdy. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Hindi daw to nagamit ni owner. Kasi yung may-ari nito, yes, anak? Yung may-ari nito ay, anong tawag ito? Parang gay couple ba sila? Tapos, dapat sana daw mag-a-adapt sila. Tapos, hindi daw natuloy, unfortunately. Kaya, ayan, nabenta sa amin. And I love it.
A few moments later.
Guys, it's now 5 o'clock and nandito pa rin ako sa harapan ng ating computer. Nag-work pa rin ako. Sobrang busy talaga sa work. Like seriously, it is crazy busy. And nabubuang na rin niya ng ating baby girl. Oh. Shh! Shh! Gusto na niyang lumabas. Kasi gusto niyang maglaro sa sasakyan niya. Ang mami niya ay sobrang work pa. Mura na siya buang diha sa bahay. Wakas to naka. Mama will just finish this one. And tingnan nyo. Sobrang ginaw na kasi. So that's the advantage of working from home. You can work with your dressing gown on. And yan. Anak, come here sa anak, B. Come here. Come on, and then we'll go out.
Outside.
Ang ating Daddy Mike sad. Hindi din siya makasama kay Paris sa labas na maglaro kasi hindi maganda pakiramdam ni Daddy Mike. Oh. Where would you like to go?
Outside.
Outside? You play with your
Car.
car. But you're wet, oh, because you've been drinking. Go get your shirt, go. Get your shirt, and then we'll go. Did you get your shirt? Why not?
How about you?
Why?
How about you get this? Off the door. Off the door.
Why didn't you get your shirt?
Come on, how about you?
Have a look. What's in there? It's dark.
Give you the lights.
Hmm?
You put the lights on to make it.
To make it what?
On the light.
Put the light on. Wow.
I like it.
Wow.
I like it.
Go get your shirt. Tingnan yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike dito sa kabilang kwarto. Nilagay niya dito yung mga laruan ni Paris and all. Kasi nga diba sa kabilang side yun, sa labas. Pero sobrang messy tingnan. Kaya yung ginawa niya,
I want this
nilagay
one.
niya dyan.
Mama, I want this first.
Nak, we're only going out to play, Nak.
This one.
Get something else.
This one.
Shush!
Mama,
Pili, good.
I want this one.
Doon pa, yung mga laruan ba yung
I
Paris?
want this one.
Panlakaw mo na, anak. Dito, This one. This one. Good na one, be. Have a look there. Kanang long sleeve na. Kay tumaw.
Yeah, I want this one.
You want that one? It's not long sleeve, Baba. Tumaw na, anak. P.
Oh no. Oh no. Me.
That's okay, be. We'll just put jacket on top. Come on. Come on.
That's another.
Are you going with me or not? Well, Daddy said outside if it's working. If your car is still working.
Hey, when the car is ready.
Where's Daddy? Oh. Daddy's in the toilet. I thought he's checking the car.
Yes.
Have a look outside. See? Super dark.
No, when you go inside and play court.
Okay. Alright, go get the jacket. Lagi ko.
Let's put jacket.
Wala. Ang bilis kasi mag-dark. Ngayon kasi, winter.
Where's what?
But why are you crying if you're fine? Can you tell Mama what happened?
I'm fine, Mama.
Did you hurt your finger here? Why are you crying then?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Okay. Alright then. Come on, let's go put this jacket on. Uy, yung bata, eh. Ay, shush! Nga ni, gini siya guys. Di ni siya gangkon nga. Sakitan siya. Balag maghilak ba na siya? She's fine. You okay? Here's your jacket. Oh. I've got Mickey Mouse.
Because it's dirty.
It's not dirty. Mama just cleaned this. Can you take that off?
I
You know how
can't
to
do it. See?
Hindi Mama do it.
A few moments later.
Ito din pala ang ating dinner tonight. Lagyan na natin ng asin. Binili to ni Daddy Mike sa shop noong kahapon ba yun? Tamban. Ayan, so prituhin lang natin yan. Pero we'll just take Paris out kasi, anak, come na. Gusto niyang What is it?
No, feel well.
You're not feeling well?
No,
Really?
I'm not sick.
Oh, you're not sick. Okay. If you're not sick, then you can still play outside, okay? Labas muna natin to kahit madilim na. Where is it? It's in the lunch window. Come on, go.
Very good.
Yeah, very cold na ka.
That's why I went to my jacket.
Huh?
Mama. Oh,
It's already open. Hala, sobrang ginaw na, guys. Go. Hindi na kasi siya nakapaglaro ng kanyang car for a while.
My car.
Kahit dito lang siguro kami guys. Oh, dyan lang. Careful na ka, because the car is coming na.
Mommy,
Here, here. It's okay. Tita is just parking. Oh, go over there. Yeah. Wow. Did you miss your car, Nak? Nak, you haven't ridden your car for a while. So silly.
This one.
Sige ko. Nakalimot na sila ko sa home drive, Nak. Dugay na kayo ka ang dula.
Why it's working?
Okay. Okay, go girl. Go, go. Go, go.
Why is it?
It is working. Hindi rin kami makapunta doon sa park sa harap ng bahay kasi Phoenix nila. Anything na? You give it to Mom, maybe? What's that? It's a mail.
Yeah, let's go.
Baby, baby. Give it, Mama. Ah, oh, may nakapangalan. Go, go, drive na. Ah, sobrang ginaw na.
My homie, I can do it.
You can, honey. There you go. Good job. Reverse. There you go.
Mama,
Yeah.
can you get out?
Ayan guys, magdi-dinner na tayo. Meron tayong rice from last night. And then, sobrang dami nating tamban na pinirito. Oh my God. I haven't had this one for so long. And then, meron tayong suka at saka toyo. Nag-wonder ako kung bakit super quiet dito. Ang ating Daddy Mike and si Baby Paris pala pumunta ng kwarto. Kasi nga si Daddy Mike, he is not feeling well. Barado yung ilong niya, guys. And, yeah, he's not feeling his 100%. Kaya ayun. And then, nakatulog siya sa bed. And then, kinadol niya si Baby Paris. Ayun, nakatulog din, guys. Kaya silang dalawa nakatulog. Si mami niyo ay kakain na lang. Kasi gutom na ako. And it's 6:30 na ng gabi. So, magigising yan sila. Nap-nap lang yan sa kanila. Si Paris hindi rin kasi nag-nap kaninang hapon. And then, yeah, mamaya na yan sila kakain. Nag-ready na pala ako ng sandwich ni Paris. Tulog pala ang ating baby girl. Anyways, kain muna ako guys ha. Kasi gutom na gutom talaga si Buntis. Super excited. Dito na kami sa bed. Yung steam ng ating, guys, ang tawag dito. Air humidifier. Ayan. Maano sa mukha. Anyways, ayan. I'm taking my folic acid now. Kasi matutulog na tayo.
Finish, Daddy. Kiss. Love you.
Tapos ang dalawa, oh. Ang tatay na nilalagyan ng cream yung anak niya. Para sa kanyang kati-kati. Which is looking better na. Oh. What are you watching, Nak?
And no, set more.
Ito do?
Set more.
What did you say? What did you say? Shh. Hey, Tahu kag lawas, oh.
Doesn't look
Show me your muscles.